Welcome to my channel. My name is Silenthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop down below, as well as the freebie for the month of January if you're interested in grabbing it. In February, there will be a new freebie coming out, so be on the lookout for that. Okay, what are we doing today? We are going to go ahead and stuff our sinking funds. For those of you who are new here or just need an update, I do savings challenges all week. Any day of the week, whatever time I have money, I try to pick up this camera and I try to record those savings challenge cash stuffings. How this works is if I don't spend the money that I was intending on spending, like say in my expense envelope, I'm not spending the money, or if I give somebody a ride and they give me $10 for gas, I put that money aside and I say, okay, well I might take my kids to McDonald's, or I might take them somewhere. If I don't do that, I save that money to do a savings challenge cash stuffing. That way I can bulk up my sinking funds. So yes, I could just put it aside, but this is way more fun. And also it gives me a sense of accountability. I am very excited that I'm able to save anything at all. And so the little bit I am saving adds up like crazy, so crazy. So anybody who's been discouraged or worried, can they save? You can. Start small, work your way up. I'm nowhere near where a lot of people are in their savings journey, and that is okay. Some of you will be working to get to where I am, because I was never, ever thought I would be doing this, especially with the changes that took place last year, where my home became a single income household, and that's it. It's just like, okay, the changes took place, and do I throw in the towel or do I push through? Pushing through is the only thing we can do. And I'll show you why. Okay, so let's count up what we're stuffing first. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 110, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 545. So 145 is what I'm stuffing today. And we did a sinking funds cash stuffing earlier in the month. It worked out perfectly. So wonderful, because I was able to do things with my children, which was nice. We went out to eat a couple times, which is rare, but also we went to the movies, and which I didn't think I was going to spend any money at the movies because my kiddos had money. But they're like, Mom, can we get, and of course, you know, we don't go to the movies enough to miss out on the popcorn and the, you know, concessions. So anyway, that was a lot of fun. And then self-care. Okay, let's get started first, because I'm so excited about the fact that I was able to do anything at all during, you know, these past couple of weeks. But my boys, let's go ahead and put $45. Okay, we have 20, 45. This way, if they ask for anything, or if they want to do something, I have a couple dollars to do something. And I don't know, for me anyway, with 2 kids on a tight budget, it's hard to find things that are reasonably priced. And one of the things they've been talking about is Dave & Buster's, and $45 is not enough for Dave & Buster's, but hopefully we'll be able to save that at some point. We'll see. Self-care. This is the one I was really excited about, because I don't spend a lot of money on myself, and because I had the funds, I figured, now it's as good a time as any. I'll tell you what I did with my self-care money, because I'm so excited about it. Okay, I bought a shirt. It's a cute little sweater. Oh, so cute. It was on clearance, but still, it was so cute, and I thought to myself, you have self-care money, you can get it. I got me some butter body cream, and it smells so good. It makes my skin so soft. It's really nice. And then I got re-upped on my vitamins, but the big deal for me anyway was my hair products. For those of you who don't know, I went natural and very, very short a while ago now, and what I decided to do was actually try to take care of my hair. I'm not certain I'm going to grow it out at any point. Right for now, it's just going to stay as short as it is. I like it short, but the products it takes to maintain it, so it's not all dry and things like that, I decided I better go ahead and get a couple things. So that was nice. Self-care, let's do $40. 20, 40. So I'm not certain what this $40 is going to go to. I'm just glad it's here. So if I feel like something anything, whatever, I'll be able to come here and see if I'm able to do something for myself. Okay, so car maintenance, you guys would be so proud. I got an oil change. I had been putting it off, and I mentioned when I did stuff these last time, I didn't even know how much an oil change was, and it is pretty pricey. Well, at least for my budget, with an older vehicle. So there was no way to skip on the good oil or whatever. And sometimes I think people are trying to hype it up and take your money or whatever. But I figured, listen, I need it done. It's overdue at this point. And on top of that, I have an old car. I need to make sure I'm doing the little things to take care of it. So I did buy a couple things for my vehicle, and also I got a car wash and things like that. So there is only $5 left in here, which I'm surprised there was anything left. I'm glad there's something left, but I'm very surprised. So let's put. How about we put? Should we put $10? 5, 10. All right, so now in car maintenance we have $5, $10, $15. I do need to get this one bulked up, but since the oil change has been taken care of, I can breathe a little, right? So we'll keep working on that. And safety net, let's put $40. 20, 30, 35, 40. Okay. And 20, 30, 35, 40. Safety net is for anything, basically. It's a buffer. But what I was thinking is if there's a snow day, if I miss work, if my kids are sick or something like that and I have to miss work, we have an allotted amount of time that we can take off that is unpaid, but I still need to have the money to pay myself, because obviously I can't be missing out on paychecks, especially if I want to keep up with my savings. So safety net is basically just a buffer, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, $80 here, which I make about $80 a day after taxes, so that is awesome. All right, so next up is my home envelope, which has $10, and we are going to add this last 10, giving us $5, $10, $15, $20 in my home envelope. I did spend a little bit out of here, and I did find some candles that I was thinking about getting, and I'm trying to be cautious of how I'm proceeding with spending this cash. I saw some incense, smelled some really nice incense, and some other things that I would like to have in my home, because that was one of the things I wanted to work on, was making my house feel like a home. A little apartment. It's a very small apartment, but I wanted to make it feel like a home. And so I'm trying to take the steps to make it feel that way. And I just want to be cautious about what I'm spending the money on, especially things like things for your home, because those things are long-term, or should be long-term in my case. And then things like self-care, like clothing items or jewelry or something like that. Oh, I did buy this ring for $1 as well. And my son's like, wow, that's a nice ring. I'm like, thank you. Anyway, yeah. So I want to make sure that I'm making good financial spending decisions. Even though I have the cash, I want to still be aware of what my thoughts are about purchasing items. Some people say when you're shopping, especially online, to leave it in your cart, and then if you forget about it or you think about it, it's like, oh yeah, I really don't need it. So that's kind of the same thoughts I have about purchasing things. Right now it's like, okay, well, maybe just think about it a little bit, especially with the candles. And I have some other candles that I still need to finish burning, so that's another thing I was considering. So anyway, with all of this jabbering that's taking place, I can't believe I'm yapping so much today. Friends, I have to tell my friends about what I bought. So exciting. No, you don't get to tell them. I'm telling them. Anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for coming back again. Bye, guys.